So we're at the Cal Poly Pier in Avila Beach. Today it's the Cal Poly Pier open house, and so we have this twice a year, once in November, once in May, and Cal Poly marine science majors share their research with the community and kind of show the people of SLO County what we're doing. They'll probably be seeing some presentations on maybe El Nino, people talking about upwelling, and then they also usually have some type of skeletons from otters or whales. There will also be tanks that have fish and other marine organisms in them, such as octopi and urchins, so people will just get a really hands-on look at what we do.
We'll have classes coming out here from Cal Poly and Cuesta College, other universities, and those are involved in lab activities and maybe putting nets over the side, sorting samples, collecting data from different instruments, so very hands-on activities. And then also there are a lot of research projects going on where faculty are conducting their grant-funded research, and they have teams of students assisting with that research. And those students are involved in that from every aspect, collecting the animals, keeping them in tanks. If they're working on animals, collecting data from instrumentation out here. And we'll see about 500 student visits a year for research out here. Jumping back to the classes out here, we'll see about 1,500 students out here in classes a year.
The Pier actually has been a big part of my education at Cal Poly. I started in August doing the scientific dive program right before I started the grad program at Cal Poly, and that really opened up so many opportunities. I really wouldn't be able to be doing the research that I'm doing now in Morro Bay without the scientific diving program. So I'm really thankful that I got to participate in it and meet a lot of great people through that. So now for my research project, I'm able to do diving under the North T Pier in Morro Bay, and I'm surveying sessile invertebrate organisms on the pilings and going to be doing a cage exclusion experiment there. Graduate students provide a lot of opportunities for undergrads to get involved in their research projects. I've had a number of undergrads help me collect data for sea otter foraging in Morro Bay, and they get to gain experience collecting data in the field. And let's see, undergrads also help in our lab with a variety of other projects, looking at the fowling communities in Morro Bay, and they really get a chance to head a lot of these projects too. Like one of the undergrads in our lab is heading a trapping program for crabs in Morro Bay, so they really get an opportunity to be directly involved in a lot of the research.